Alright, YouTube, so hello. I hope everybody's doing well. This is my projector that's showing on my face like this, so I'm kind of liking this blue light. I don't know, it makes me look different, but right now I'm working on my computer and I am trying to replace the screen that I think I cracked, so I'm going to show you how it looks. So right now, this is my computer, and I don't know if it's really good light, but if you can look, let me put it in this light. If you look closely, you're gonna see a, God, that's a bad light. Just believe me, it's a crack in the screen. So what I started to do was I started to just pop off these edges, and I looked on a couple of YouTube videos. So yes, I'm doing this on my own. And then there is screws. So there was a screw here I took out, and then there's a screw there, and then there's also a screw like down in here. It's like a big black one. I don't know if you can really see it. Yeah, it's like right here. I think it's two of them actually. But anyway, I'm trying to get these sides off, and so this is where I'm at. So what I did was I basically just like pulled it and it came loose, but the problem is I can't get down here to where these snaps are to like release the screen. So I think what I'm gonna do is try to go from this angle here and release it this way, because you see how it's peeling up. So it's able to peel up, but right there on the sides is where it's got the most sealant. So yes, I'm using a knife. I don't really have another tool, and I've never did this before, and I'm just gonna try and go in the sides and see if I can pry it open from the bottom. And I don't know if it's something like holding it in there, and I want to be real careful, and I don't want to cut my hand because this is a sharp knife, but I want to kind of just see if I can pry it. So right now I'm starting to think that something is in here. I don't know if it's sealing. I don't know what it is because it comes up. Let me look on the inside. It comes up here, and then when it gets to here, it just like stops. So what I think I could do is go from the bottom. But wow, that ceiling is so. Hold on, can y'all see? Y'all can see from that angle. Okay, let's see. Let's see if I could just muscle it. See, it lifts up there. It lifts up there. Let me go where it's open. I'm gonna really lift up where it is lifting up. Okay. I'm gonna keep lifting it up. I'm just gonna keep lifting it up. I'm just gonna keep on lifting it up. See, I'm lifting it. It's coming up. Oh, I got it. And it was like some weirdo glue. Wow. So it was like some glue around that screw. Can you believe that? So what I'm gonna do is just unscrew it. I'm just unscrewing it. So there's one screw. Yay. I can just test it to see if that is what's holding it down. I really don't know if that is what's holding it down. I don't know what I just unscrewed, y'all. It's like in there. So I'm gonna try to lift it up a little bit to see like what is holding this down. So now what I need to do is I need to look on the inside to see like what is holding it. And I think it's these screws. Let me try another one. It's like 3 of them. I think it is these screws. I do think it's these screws. Yeah, I do. There's 3 of them. Can y'all see that? Y'all, my hands is blocking it. My nails is blocking it. That's the second one. Okay. And then we're gonna do the third one. They want to charge me $200 to take it. Oh, that's hard, y'all. That's real hard. Let's see if it got any looser. It did get a little looser, but there's some screws here and stuff. I gotta watch another YouTube video, but I think I could figure it out. This screw's so hard. It's so hard, y'all. Oh my goodness, it's so hard. Oh, I got it. Why am I whispering? Like I'm doing something. I cracked myself up. I gotta find something to prop this up with. I'm just gonna have to do it with my hand. Multitask over here, right? Y'all see that? Okay. So I'm taking that out. Guess that's good. Put it here. See if it'll lift. Oh, it still ain't lift. So I don't know what's keeping it. Is it like glued down here? I think it is like glued. Oh, it's this screw. It's gotta be this one. I think I just dropped the thing. Yeah. It is this one. No, it can't be this one because I think I can like lift it up over here. I really don't know what it is. What could it be? I need like a lamp. I think I can drop this screw. Let's see what it is. I'm taking out 3 screws. I need to just take this thing off. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna take it off. I know it's just glue, so I could just pry it down. How about I do that? It's that glue on there. They got some real strong glue. But maybe that's super glue. I bet you it's super glue. Okay, so if you gonna take out this whole thing, yeah, cause it drives me crazy. This is half of the battery here. See, when you know how to do stuff, people ain't gonna overcharge you. Because if you go somewhere and you at least get this far, you say, listen, all you gotta do is take some screws off and then put a new screen on. Sorry, y'all. People is not about to overcharge you. I remember when I had brake pads that I needed to get changed. They said they wouldn't charge me. One place said $300. You look online, it'll say some crazy stuff. $300, $400. All this crazy stuff. It really will. But if you know how to put on brake pads, you would be surprised at that, at the prices that people try to charge you. Got it off. You'd be so upset. Because people try to get over. They really do. See, I don't know what's holding this down. But you know what? I think that I'm getting it off. Look, y'all, it's coming off. I'm just able to lift it up like that. Oh, fuck, I think I cracked the screen even more. Oh, it's already fucked up anyway, so. I think that it's just like stuck in there from just being in there for so long. I'm just gonna try to lift it up. Yeah, it's just been in there for so long that it's just in there. And I'm just gonna lift this up. That part you want to be careful of because that's the part that connects to the the what's the name? Okay. So I done got it up. I just got to figure out a way to get it all the way out of here without damaging the components of the computer. Let me put this down. So it's a cord that's coming up over here. As I'm lifting it, it's coming up with it. I don't know what that is. It goes all the way around it. So I think I need to, because it's I gotta take these screws out too. These screws gotta come out with it. Yep, I'm gonna take these out. Look at me just trying to whisk it over to the side. There's other computers out there that aren't that easy to take out the, what's the name? Because you have to disconnect so much, but these are pretty easy. It's just crazy. You gotta do it right. Okay, so now it should come up. And the thing is, these wires that go over the top of it, I'm not taking them off. Oh, so but the wires loosen. So like this wire, you can loosen a little bit. It's like a prong. I think you can loosen it. It'll come up under there. So what I think I'm gonna do is try to lift it over this cord somehow. Get it? And lift it. Even if I lifted up this cord right here, this purple one, and put it around, it would give me a lot of working room. I don't know how much working room it has. Let's make a gray one. It's like just enough. See, they gotta make these things to where something happens, you can replace it. Oh, there it is. Here you see how it's coming off? Yeah. They give you just enough room to get around it. You want to be real careful. Hold on, y'all. I think I almost got it. I ain't never did this before. Oh, got it. Got it to come on top. So it just kind of snakes all the way around there. You know, you get a ghetto one person, they ain't gonna put it back. You know what I mean? I could kind of get it to snake. Ooh, I don't want to take that thing out. Well, let's see if it comes out. 1 second, y'all. I'm trying to pick. I think this thing is like in the way. It shouldn't be in the way of it coming up though. It's in there. It goes in here. So I can get it to come up, but now for some reason I think I need to get it. So far y'all, I didn't got it. You see how cracked up it is? Like this screen is all fucked up right now. Excuse my friends, but so far I need to get this out of the hinges. And I think what I'm gonna do is watch another video because I don't want to break anything. Close in there. Alright, so I'm signing out. I don't think I watched the video far enough. Alright, I'll check y'all later.